It's April. You look at the goals you set in January, you haven't started them, and you feel guilty. You feel like a failure. I have been where you are. I lived in that dark room where the walls feel like they are closing in. But here's the truth. Your guilt is actually a good thing. It means that you still care about your life, and you aren't lazy. You just don't have a system. In this video, I will show you why motivation has failed you and how to build a 3-step system to beat depression and procrastination. Motivation is like a friend who screams at you to run a marathon while you have a broken leg. It ignores what you actually need, and that's why you are so tired even though you did nothing. Step 1. Lazy to normal. Your brain has one job: to save energy. It does not care about your dreams. It wants you to sit on the couch because the couch is the safe and cheap option for your energy levels. So there's nothing wrong with you. You aren't lazy or broken, it's just how your brain works. And when you try to use motivation, you are fighting your own biology, forcing your brain to do things that it isn't built for until it shuts down. And that's when you go full-blown slump or super binge black hole without knowing why. It's like pushing a car that's set in parking. Solution: stop fighting that feeling and start managing. My system starts with sleep, not 6 a.m. runs. You cannot build a life on a tired brain, and that's why you are so depressed. You are forcing your brain to be something that is not. Step 2 is shut up and do it. Again, if the brain main goal is to save energy, it doesn't care about reality. It will always pick the cheapest and fastest way to make you feel good. And when you have goals and tell others about it before actually doing them, that's your brain sabotaging you. It's trying to make you feel good without doing the thing. Because telling others gives you a dopamine hit. And when the time to do the thing comes, you aren't able to. Because the reward for doing the thing was already given out. So never talk about your goals without accomplishing them first. Smokers do this all the time. They tell everyone they're gonna quit, and that's why they never quit. The more you wait, the more ways your brain will find to make you not to do it. So shut up and do it. What is one goal you have been talking about but not doing? Comment down below and I will help you achieve that. Step 3 is system. And this all builds into my alternative to motivation. Forcing your brain doesn't work. If waiting until you feel like you want to do the thing doesn't work either, then you must learn to work together with your brain. And this means 3 questions. Why, how, and when. Why? Logic doesn't move humans. Pain does. Stop saying, I want to be fit. Say, I'm tired of feeling invisible. Find the reason that bites you, because humans are emotional creatures before everything. That's why ads show you a nice beach instead of all the health benefits of their deodorant. How? It's not that you don't know what is the right thing to do, you just have too much choice. So your focus gets jumbled up and picking the wrong thing provokes this avalanche of procrastination. So simplify it. Goal, problem, solution. Forget everything else. Focus only on the next step. The rest doesn't matter. When? This is key for your improvement. It doesn't matter if you did the thing or not. If you constantly remind yourself of timestamps, your brain will naturally shift towards it, even if it hates it. So even if you delay doing the thing, this habit will still leave you able to respond faster to your tasks than before. No one does the thing right after they decide to do it. This requires training. And this is the system I use to do the things every time I don't feel like doing them. I just keep circling them around depending on what I need at the moment. Because again, the brain keeps trying to sabotage you, but this system counter-arguments it. And if this system makes sense to you, then hit the like button. It helps the algorithm find other men who are also struggling. And if you need a custom roadmap, check my coaching plans in the link below. The faster you get there, the less painful it is. And no, taking a break isn't better if your goal is to change your life. Your body can handle it fine. You don't have to worry. And do it long enough, your brain will stop sabotaging this because it becomes less energy consuming to keep up with your goals. It just doesn't feel great. And that's the lie that keeps you in the life you don't want, that there's a better way. But that's just the cost of growth and the things you want, so it's best to accept it. And I can promise you this, even if everything goes wrong, it's still better to be the person who can do the hard thing than the one who can't. Because that's when you drown in anxiety and procrastination. So let's keep going at the wall. There's always a way. I will see you next week. And if you really can't get out of bed, that's fine too. Watch this video next.